So now we're actually going to apply that quotient property into dividing these polynomials. So for this first one, I have 15x cubed plus 5x squared. Now I want to divide that polynomial by this monomial 5x squared. So my first step is I'm going to first just make this into a fraction. And so that means I have my top here, my polynomial 15x cubed plus 5x to the fifth. I'm dividing that entire thing by 5x squared, so I can just put this all over 5x squared. And now from here, I can separate this into two different fractions. Because when I'm dividing this by 5x squared, I'm really dividing the 15x cubed by 5x squared and the 5x to the fifth. It's kind of like when we were doing literal equations. Let's say I had 2y equals 5x plus 4, and I divided both sides by 2. I really divided every single term by 2. That same reasoning is happening here. And now we're going to do just like what we did in that first video. So for this first fraction, 15 divided by 5, I get 3. X cubed divided by x squared, well, 3 minus 2, I get 1. My bigger exponent's on top, so it's going to stay on top. Here, 5 divided by 5, those just cancel out. I get 1 there. X to the fifth divided by x squared. Again, I'm going to subtract those exponents, so 5 minus 2, I get 3. And so I get x cubed. Now I'm going to go ahead and write this in standard form. And so I'm going to put my x cubed first, and plus 3x. Okay, let's try another one. So now I have 8x to the 6y minus 10x to the fourth y cubed, all divided by 2x cubed y. So I'm going to rewrite this as fraction. But really, I want to divide both terms by the 2x cubed y. So the first one, 8 divided by 2, I get 4. X to the 6 divided by x cubed, I want to subtract those exponents, so 6 minus 3, I get 3. Bigger exponents on top, so it's going to stay on top. And then y divided by y, these are really exponents of 1, so 1 minus 1, I get 0. But anything to the 0 power is just 1, so really, those just cancel out. I'm going to bring down my minus sign, and then 10 divided by 2, I get 5. Common mistake I see here is a lot of you want to do 10 minus 2. Again, that's only with the exponents, so make sure with those numbers out in front, your coefficients, that you are dividing them. X to the fourth over x cubed, 4 minus 3, I get 1. My bigger exponent's on top, so it's going to stay on top. And then y cubed divided by y, there's really an exponent of 1 there, so 3 minus 1, I get 2. Okay, for these next two, it's actually already in fraction form for us, so I'm going to go ahead and just split those apart. So I get 14 a to the fifth, b to the ninth, over 7ab cubed. Make sure I keep my subtraction sign there. Then 28a squared, b to the sixth, divided by 7ab cubed. Then I'm going to go through that same process. So 14 divided by 7, I get 2. A to the fifth divided by a, it's really a to the first, so 5 minus 1, I get 4. So I have a to the fourth. And then b to the ninth divided by b to the third, 9 minus 3, I get b to the sixth. 28 divided by 7, I get 4. A squared divided by a, I really have 2 minus 1, so I get a to the first. B to the 6th divided by b to the 3rd. 6 minus 3, I get 3, so I get b cubed. Okay, go ahead and pause the video. I want you to try this last one. So for number 4, you should have gotten a cubed b minus 2a squared b to the 4th.